Hey my friend and welcome to a new video. So today we are gonna talk about the best way to make a woman want to sleep with you, if you are an older guy. It does not matter if you are in your 50s and she is in her 20s, or if you are in your 50s and she is also in her 50s, the stuff you are going to learn fits perfect for older guys and every type of woman they are trying to attract. So the first mistakes a lot of guys make when it comes to this topic is that they are too direct. It's a bad idea to tell her directly what your intentions are. Wouldn't it be much better if you would be able to plant the thoughts you want her to think in her head? Sounds like magic? Maybe a little bit. But there is one thing I can definitely promise you, my viewers and the guys receiving my emails often say that it feels like magic. By the way, like to get a free presentation about seducing women and like to receive my powerful emails in the future, then just click the link in the description and you are good to go. The lines I am going to show you, and the difference between the stuff you would probably normally tell her, sounds very small, but trust me, the effect is big. So you could tell her something like, I imagine how horny I would be if we are in bed right now. She maybe thinks that you are too direct. You know why? Because it's your thought, you did all the work of imagination. It would be much better if she has to imagine, and the best thing ever, if she thinks it, it's her thought. That means she wants it. So the best way to say it would be something like, yes, I could tell you that we will have some in-time moments. But I would not tell you. The magic in this sentence is that but I would not tell you. You do not tell her to do something, thoughts why she cannot say no to it. I got a even funnier example that helped John, a viewer of mine, really often. He even told me that it's his secret weapon. So here it is. The simple line, do not think about sex with me so quick, is brilliant. You told her subconscious mind that she wants to think about it. And like in the other example, she would not be able to resist anything, because nobody told her to do anything. I hope you got the magic behind these simple lines. If you are interested in presentations, books and a lot of interesting content, just click the link in the description and give me your email address, so I can send you even a lot more content, my friend. See you in the next video.